Good morning everybody. Welcome to all for a science activity. This is the week to do a science activity. Here today we are going to do an activity of a floating balloon. Floating balloon. Actually some balloons are floating in the air. Some balloons are floating in the air. Why? Because inside that balloons are helium gas is there. Helium gas can take up the balloons to fly in the air. So here without helium gas we are making an experiment. We are making an experiment to float balloon in the air. See here for this activity there are three boys are there from 4th A. They are introducing themselves. Loudly.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Vishwajit Lalwadi. I am studying in 4th class.
Next.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Aniket Dilipur. I am studying in 4th A.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Tejas Gajanan Zawlekar. I am studying in 4th A.
Okay, children. So, for this activity, we have collected some materials. Needed material for this activity. See, one of the bottle we have to take. One of the glass bottle we should use to this. Okay. Remember, not a plastic bottle. Hold this. And also here, afterwards, we have to use foil paper. We can get from any shop. These foil papers are using to pack food for our journey. Foil paper. And also here caustic soda. We can get from any shop. See, these are the caustic soda flakes. I see we can get for 10-20 rupees from any shop. But we should not touch this directly with hand. We have to use gloves. See here everyone are wear the gloves. Show the gloves. Very good. So and also one of the two balloons we have to use. Two balloons. One balloon we have to use. Okay. And also some amount of water we have to use to do this activity. Can we start this activity? Yes. See children, you should not do this activity at home by your own. If under your parents, we have to do this activity. So first of all, we have to take a bottle. Aniket, pour some water in the bottle.
Yes.
All of you observe carefully. Yes, enough. See, we have poured some water in the bottle. See, it's clear to you. Some amount of water we have taken in the bottle. Next, then Vishwajit cut some foil paper pieces. Cut. So today, see, in this way we have to cut the foil paper into small pieces. Cut this. See, in this way we have to take foil paper into small bits and we have to fold this. We have to fold this. If these are ready means it's useful to us. All these are the foil papers bits. Foil paper bits. We have to follow some rules to do this activity. So then next year, water is clear? Already you poured? Gloves, take in the hand. See children, in this way we have to pour carefully this stick soda. No, in this way we have. Here. It will fall on the body, it will give pains to you. This caustic soda we have to use carefully. Then Vishwajit is going to put this all foil paper sheets in this bottle. Pour some. Tejas. See, now they just take a balloon carefully. Okay. Wait. Give me one handkerchief. See children, balloon has floated. One napkin. Balloon has floated. So this we have to take out that balloon. See already this balloon has floated. See now this balloon is going to float in the air. See how nice it is floating without helium gas. Thank you children. Thank you Vishwajit and Aniket and Tejas to make this activity successfully without a helium gas. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a nice day.